Teachers are working at the front line of supporting the next generation day in, day out. Teachers are so much more than solely individuals who deliver academic lessons. They're social beings too, and engage with their students daily. Not only is teacher wellbeing important in of itself, but the evidence finds that teacher wellbeing influences student outcomes relating to academic outcomes as well as wellbeing outcomes. The Wellbeing Research Centre at Oxford has worked with the IB to produce the report on wellbeing for school teachers, which provides a literature review and scoping review of the research in the field of teacher wellbeing. We've also produced a series of smaller reports, each highlighting a specific area of wellbeing interventions within schools. One of these reports focuses on teacher wellbeing interventions, so do keep an eye out on that.
Everyone, including researchers, has their own understanding of what well-being means. In our report, we zoom in on the subjective well-being of school teachers, which includes three key components: their life satisfaction, or how teachers perceive and evaluate their lives. Second, affect, which includes a range of emotions and feelings. Third, eudaimonia aspect, which we will dive into the meanings and purpose of their life. By focusing on these three areas, we're able to paint a comprehensive picture of teacher well-being from existing research.
The Teacher Wellbeing Framework was developed based on our literature review of the field of teacher wellbeing. This framework serves to act as a recommendation for how schools should conceptualize teacher wellbeing. At its core is teacher job satisfaction, which we recommend that schools use as their key performance indicator. Next, we outline 6 individual level elements which the literature finds as significantly influential on teacher wellbeing. The outer layer outlines 8 school level elements which the literature points to as influential on teacher wellbeing. The individual level and school level distinction has been made to help schools understand the different influences on teacher wellbeing and to encourage schools to consider the different drivers of teacher wellbeing which might be of relevance to their particular school. Our work with the IB considers schools as an ecosystem, so although we here focus on the Teacher Wellbeing Framework, this sits alongside our Student Wellbeing Framework, which we published with the IB in our Wellbeing in Education in Childhood and Adolescence report, which was published in 2022.
The importance of teacher well-being cannot be emphasized enough. It is absolutely crucial for the functioning of a school, and it should be the central focus in improving the well-being of the entire school community. Given the diversity of schools, it is important to understand that one-size-fits-all approach doesn't work. Intervention must be customized to fit the unique needs and the situation of each school. Addressing both individual and school-level elements of well-being and prioritizing evidence-based practice are essential in improving teacher well-being. To effectively implement teacher well-being intervention, several core elements are crucial: the establishment of clear guidance, the provision of adequate resources, the fostering of active participation among employees, and the assurance of stronger leadership support. The field of teacher well-being research is expanding but less developed than the rest of other areas, such as adolescent well-being. This often results in working with smaller and less diverse datasets, which limit our generalizability of our findings. To push the field forward, future research could include a more diverse and larger sample of participations. Additionally, considering longitudinal studies could provide valuable insights into long-term effects of well-being intervention. In such case, we can ensure that future recommendations are not only grounded in solid evidence, but also inclusive and adaptable across different education contexts.